Discover the difference when you work simple with the revolutionary line of contractor solutions from Maxis Tools and Southwire Company. Offering versatility and helping you enhance safety and productivity on the job site, Maxis Tools are a key element in Southwire's Simple Solutions family of products, services, and mobile applications that can help put you one step ahead of the competition by streamlining electrical installations. In line with the Simple Solutions approach, Maxis Tools continues to focus on being one of the most innovative tool lines in the industry, concentrating exclusively on delivering contractor value. From cable pulling, hole making, and award-winning bending solutions to a variety of material handling options, Maxis Tools have the ability to adapt to virtually any cable pulling situation. An integral piece in the Simple Solutions family, as your simple stack drill pays off, is the Maxis Feeder, a cutting-edge tool used to feed wire up to 30 feet per minute, providing a beneficial alternative to manual wire feeding or traditional wire feeder on the job site. Having no feeder on a site makes a pull more labor-intensive, therefore requiring the use of extra persons on a pull and can increase the risk of injury or damage to the wire. The use of traditional feeder means lots of starts and stops during the pull to adjust tension, which increases costly time. With the Maxis Feeder, the wire is easily fed directly from the reel to the tool and into the conduit using an innovative grooved roller system. With a fast 2-minute setup time in most cases, the ability to easily adjust tension while in operation, and a variable speed control, feeding wire with the Maxis Feeder is less labor-intensive and reduces the risk of damage to the wire when compared to conventional pulling methods.
I mean, it takes all the heavy work out of it. Instead of having the cable draped over your shoulder, pulling it off the reels, that pulls it off all 4 reels by itself.
Without the Maxis cable feeder, we would be pulling it off by hand, off of the jack stands or our cable trailer. This saved our physical labor and sped the job up immensely. Doesn't wear us out, keeps us fresh, we're ready to do more.
It's night and day as far as in trying to feed the no lube wire with the Maxis feeder. You're able to individually feed tension or control tension on the conductors, the way they lay in the feeder wheels. It's obviously designed for the product, and it did a much better job for us.
The Maxis Feeder offers the benefit of a quick 1-person, 2-minute setup in most cases to begin a pull. The Maxis Feeder integrates the features of forward and reverse, including variable speeds up to 30 feet per minute, and feeds wire sizes from 3/0 to 3.5 inch. The tool allows the contractor to easily adjust wire tension, even during operation, and may be used with Maxis Trigger's dual remote foot switches for simultaneous feeder to puller start and stop. The Maxis Feeder includes solid rubber tires and swivel casters for easy job site maneuverability. A grooved roller design covers greater conductor surface area for increased traction, up to 1,600 pounds, taking significant weight off the cable puller.
What do we used to call that? Caveman electric. You just put more bodies, you throw more bodies at it most of the time. You know, and it becomes labor intensive. You know, the more men you need to actually pull that feeder, the more money it costs the contractor to do it. You know, it's cutting costs.
You can adjust the speed on it, the payout, and you know, that definitely reduces the amount of manpower you have to have on the feeding end. So, you know, normally when you have 4 reels setting out, you'll have 2 or 3 guys, depending on how heavy the wire is.
In the event that you have a jam up, it does have a reverse setting on it, and you can actually pull out of the jam up. Typically, you're going to either have to go yank the tugger down, put a 1/2 inch in it, and pull it on the other side and pull it back out, or you got 5 guys, 10 guys trying to yank that cable back out of that pipe. With the Maxis Feeder, you can just put it in the reverse settings and it'll actually pull it out.
With the Maxis Feeder, the safety risk associated with manually feeding wire is significantly reduced, and you are better able to complete your pulling job safer, faster, and more efficiently. The Maxis tool line provides unique safety features in each and every product to help diminish the possibility of accident or injury. It is our goal at Southwire to provide contractors with innovative wire pulling solutions that can adapt to any situation. Whatever your job requires, Simple Solutions products and services seek to offer you a complete wire and cable solution to fit your needs. Work simple and discover the difference with Maxis tools, only available from Southwire.